We're cooking the turtle meat. Okay, we already cooked some fish. Up there.
Flathead and bluegill.
Flathead and bluegill. Took a little taste, they're very good.
Raw.
This is the raw turtle meat cut up into nuggets.
Some of it's white, some of it's red.
Yeah. So, like 2 different kinds of meat there. He's got them breaded in the same thing that he's cooking cooked the catfish in. And ready to put them into the oil. So I'll bring you right back. Okay, and here we go. Turtle nuggets going into the hot oil. And as usual with any deep fried meat, they will cook until they are floating and brown and crispy.
Never cooked turtle before, so hopefully...
No, but we did a lot of YouTube research. Alright, and I'll bring you back when we get it out. Okay, there's some of the bits, the turtle nuggets that are already done. We just took one and tasted it. It's pretty good. It's kind of like just like chicken or something.
A little bit on the chewy side, kind of like frog legs.
Right. But not tough.
No.
And not strongly flavored. So there you go. There's how we cooked up.
We did brine it.
Yeah. Brine it in salt water.
Saltwater brine.
But it's very good. It's easy to eat. Yeah, we could do this again.
Oh yeah, definitely.
Alright, so there you go. That's how we cooked up our
Turtle.
Turtle meat.
Spiny soft-shell turtle.
Spiny soft-shell turtle. Thanks for watching.